I know everybody's been posting songs. There's so many great songs out there people have been doing at home, which is great. I don't know that I've seen a lot of sing-alongs. So if there is a gap in our streaming entertainment options, it might be that. So that's what I'd like to do for you now. This is a sing-along. It was one of Ken's favorites. So if you've been subjected to my campfire performances in the past, you've probably heard it. It's a Kim Richey song called A Place Called Home. And I was thinking about it today on my walk. As I often do, I passed by a neighbor of mine who usually makes his home on the streets and seems like he's doing okay, but reminded me that especially now, things like comfort and safety and having four walls are things that we should never take for granted. So I invite you to sing along if you can play. I'm on my baritone ukulele. I have it capoed at 5. The chords are super easy. There are only 4. There's an E minor, C, G, and D. Those are the chords you'll hear. And at the very end, there's an E major. So listen for that. If you can't play, you got one of these. Shake it. If you don't have one of these, you've been stocking up. You've got a box of macaroni somewhere, a bag of granola. Also makes a great percussion instrument. Get one of those out. Shake and sing along. So I'm going to teach you the chorus first. We'll just do it call and response style. I'll sing a line back. You sing it. I'll sing a line. You sing it back to me. Be my echo. And then we'll give it a try. Okay. So chorus goes like this. Listen and repeat. Someday I'll go where there ain't no rain or snow. Okay, try that. Someday I'll go where there ain't no rain or snow. Perfect. You've done this before. Okay, next line. Till then, I'll travel alone. Try that. Till then, I'll travel alone. Beautiful. Next line. And I'll make my bed with the stars above my head. Try that. And I'll make my bed with the stars above my head. Good. And dream of a place called home. And dream of a place called home. Okay, that's the chorus. Easy. I guess we'll just start. Here we go. Well, it's not hard to see. Anyone who looks at me knows I am just a rolling stone. Never landed any place to call my own. Call my own. Well, it seems like so long ago, but it really ain't, you know. I started off a crazy kid. Miracle I made it through the things I did. Things I did. Someday I'll go where there ain't no rain or snow. Till then I'll travel alone. Sounds good. And I'll make my bed with the stars above my head. And I'll dream of a place called home. Had a chance to settle down, get a job and live in town, work in some old factory. Never liked a foreman standing over me. Over me. No, I'd rather walk a winding road. Rather know the things I know, see the world with my own eyes. No looking back, no regrets, no goodbyes, no goodbyes. Someday I'll go where there ain't no rain or snow. Till then I'll travel alone. And I'll make my bed with the stars above my head. Dream of a place called home. Thanks for singing along. Hope you're all doing okay.